A very good morning to all of you. I would request Director Sir to say a few kind words so that we can just start with the felicitation.
Good morning, everyone. Dr. Kirti and all the faculty members and all the members of the yoga committee who have been working to organize today's program. The institution from 1st of June this year, 3 weeks, they had something or the other being organized for yoga leading up to the build-up for 21st June on the International Yoga Day. And as it, like every year, the program that has been organized in the institution has really been appreciated by everyone. And unfortunately, we had to do it online this year also, like last year, and could not do it in open. And there have been different activities and different things organized in terms of poster presenting their other programs, plus talk by different yoga experts, and including a panel discussion which they had on the All India Radio, which was headed by Dr. Kirti Chaudhary and
Dr. Naveen
and Dr. Naveen KH on different things in yoga. So I think this is something which we should adopt in our day-to-day activity in our life, and it's not difficult to do. One can do it to whatever extent that one is comfortable doing. And time, slowly, I think as you start practicing yoga, you will realize the benefits of it, and will also see that you can really go further and push yourself further to do things. Things which look difficult in the beginning, but as you practice, you're able to do that. So again, on the day of the International Day of the Yoga, please accept my heartiest congratulations, and really want to also thank the Yoga Committee for organizing today's program. Thank you, Dr. P.
Thanks a lot, sir. Should we start with the felicitation?
Prize distribution.
Recording in progress.
Poster competition was held, and the following participants, about 40 participants actually, the entries from 40 people actually came in faculty and officers. Kavita Suthar, nursing officer, PICU. She is receiving the first prize. She's like to thank her immensely for the beautiful rangoli that she has made in the atrium. Congratulations, Kavita. The second prize goes to Mr. Narpat Lal. He is also nursing officer in IPD 2D. The prize will be received by Mrs. Narpat Lal. Congratulations, madam. The third prize goes to Dr. Nivedita Sharma Veg. She's assistant professor in radio oncology. Congratulations, madam. Surgical oncology. Congratulations, madam.
Good at shading Dr. Jha, Pratibha ma'am, and everybody was actually
Could be on new talent.
The consolation prize goes to Mrs. Tina Parihar, wife of Mr. Ashish Parihar, faculty nursing. Congratulations, madam. Now we will start with the children's category. In less than 7 years category, the first prize goes to Lavin Sharma, son of Dr. Meenakshi Sharma.
Hello. Well done. Wow. This is the prize for you. ये भी प्राइस एक और ये भी
The second prize goes to Vivan Dutt, son of Dr. Naveen Dutt. Congratulations, Dr. Kirti.
Not giving the thing to the children. Your beta jama ho gaya tumhare class mein.
The third prize goes to Advay Abhishek, son of Miss Ramya Mohan, nursing faculty.
This is for you, right?
Thank you.
Yeah, well done.
Consolation prize goes to Bhavini Dutt, daughter of Dr. Naveen Dutt.
तो ये भी आपने ली।
In 8 to 12 years category, the first prize goes to Arnav Sena, son of Dr. Arvind Sena.
Hello.
Right here.
Congratulations, Arnav. The second prize goes to Ayushman Parihar, son of Mr. Ashish Parihar, nursing faculty in AIIMS Jodhpur. The third prize goes to Sanvi Gupta, daughter of Dr. Tanu Gupta, clinical psychologist, AIIMS Jodhpur.
You are looking beautiful. Yes. Congratulations. Congratulations. And look into that
The last category for children more than 13 years. First prize goes to Nehal Sharma, daughter of Dr. Meenakshi Sharma. The second prize goes to Arshi Parihar, daughter of Mr. Ashish Parihar, nursing faculty. In residence category, first prize goes to Dr. Aparna. The second prize goes jointly to Dr. Sweta and Dr. Neha Goyal, SR Anesthesia and Critical Care. Prize money will be shared by both of them since it was a single entry. Third prize is given to Dr. Karma Ongmu Bhutia. She's first year resident anesthesia and critical care. And the consolation prize goes to Ms. Jagriti Chauhan, MSc first year nursing. In students category, the first prize goes to Swapnadeep Majumdar. He's first year student. And the second prize goes to Aarti. She is MBBS 2018 batch. Both of them are not around. The third prize goes to Ms. Charu Vyas. She's BSc nursing first year student. And the consolation prize goes to Ms. Parminder Kaur. She's also not here. Those who were not able to make it for today's ceremony can collect the prizes from us whenever they join Institute. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, Dr.
Recording stopped.